Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I am introducing my second art project of the 2021-2022 school year. I call this project Art Can Heal, and we are going to begin by connecting to bandages as a symbol for healing. Bandages have been around for a very long time, and they have helped people heal their cuts, scrapes, and other wounds on the body. Art is a lot like a bandage because art can heal us too. Bandages heal our bodies when we are hurt on the outside, but art can heal our mind when we are hurt on the inside. So let's take a moment to learn about some of the most well-known bandages, Johnson & Johnson's Band-Aids, like the ones behind me. These were created in the year 1920 by a man named Earl Dixon. He invented the Band-Aid for his wife, who was always accidentally cutting, scraping, or burning her fingers around the house. He began putting tape and gauze together to help his wife with her injuries, and then later he told his boss at Johnson & Johnson about the Band-Aids he invented. Shortly after, Johnson & Johnson began selling the Band-Aids that we know today. Early on, Band-Aids came in only one color, which was said to practically disappear on your skin. The problem is not everyone has skin that matches that beige color of these bandages. In 2020, Johnson & Johnson started offering Band-Aids that match other skin colors. Band-Aids have also come out in a variety of colors and patterns as well. So our art challenge today is to create a design for bandages that would make you feel comforted if you were feeling hurt on the outside or on the inside. To get started, you are going to need drawing paper and drawing supplies like a pencil, crayons, colored pencils, markers, or any other art media of your choice. I am also using a how to draw sheet to help me create a design of overlapping bandages. Follow along to see how I use lines and shapes to make this design. Once you are done creating your bandage design, you can add color and details in your own style. I am using the theme Art Can Heal to inspire my design choices. Watch as I use markers and colored pencil to decorate these bandages like Crayola art supplies. While you watch me make mine, you can begin to think about how you will make yours. Try to think about what makes you feel comforted and happy when you are feeling hurt. For me, it's art, but for you, it could be something like reading, sports, nature, or more. After all of that coloring, your hands and wrists might need a little care. Let's stick with the theme of this project and take some time to heal our tired hands when we make art. Your body and your mind will thank you.
As a final step, I decided to cut out my design and glue it onto a sheet of scrapbook paper. As you watch these final moments in this video, consider how you will create a design for bandages that would comfort you when you are feeling hurt. I do hope you try this art challenge in your own style. Yours may be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, happy making, artists. Enjoy.